What's up, YouTubers? Bruno here with iReview. Today we're reviewing the Fit90 CE app, which stands for Custom Edition. And for those of you guys that are new to p90x or been doing p90x, you're familiar with the 1 to 13 week program. And from the beginning, Tony Horton tells you to write everything down. You write everything down so you keep track of what you're doing. How are you going to know what you did if you didn't know what you did? Or whatever he says in the video. And anyways, you know, if you're trying to write this stuff down in the middle of a workout, you know you're dripping sweat. There's no way you can put a pencil to paper and keep that thing in any kind of way, shape, or form that you can keep a record of it. And this is a great opportunity to, if you carry your iPhone, it's with you, you're doing your workouts, it allows you instant access to go ahead and plug everything in, keeps the database for you, shows you your progress, etc. Let's go ahead and dive into the app. Just one quick note before I do. Let me zoom in here. You can see here to the left on the second row, the first one there, Fit90 followed by Fit90 CE, again for custom edition. And I say that because the Fit90 was the original app that came out. Nothing wrong with it, perfect. But looks like it infringed on Beachbody.com's copyright rights, and so Apple removed it from the App Store, caused the developer to go ahead and reinvent the wheel here, keep everything the same, and just change the names around on Fit90 Custom Edition. So what I'm gonna do is open up Fit90 because they're basically the same, and when I'm finished, I'll go into CE and just show you the new names and how you can customize it back to the names that you well know and love. First thing you want to do when you open this up is go to your settings. You go to your settings, your schedule type, doubles, lean, classic, whatever it is that you choose. We'll leave it on classic, bring it back out. You have your start date. You can use it on or off. I like to use it on. Of course, I erased everything here for this review. Weight increments, you can choose whether or not you want to keep track records of aerobics, course energetics, legs and back. Okay, and next thing we want to do is go to your measurements. Of course, Tony Horton tells you when you start it, immediately following your fit test, you want to go ahead and plug all this in so you can keep track of how you're doing. Getting into that Beachbody. Before I go into schedule, I want to go into routines. And of course here you see all the routines available on the DVD package for p90x. Okay? On a weekly basis or a daily basis, 6 times a week, you're going to log on to your iPhone, click on schedule, whatever your week 1, there you go. And remember, this is the older app. Everything is named here appropriately to match what's on the DVD for p90x. Chest and back. And the cool thing about this, as you're doing it, so you're starting out, you've got standard push-ups. And here, what it allows you to do, once you're done, you click in the box. How many push-ups did you do? Let's say here 30. Record entry. Alright, now you just click that next button, which this is pretty cool. It takes you to your next one. And it follows the actual pattern of the DVD. And so when, and so for those of you who have gone through the first week, you know that week 1 of chest, once you press that replay button for the second round, it automatically matches up to the DVD where it goes in a different sequence. So that's really cool. It keeps up everything for you. So all you really need to do is keep going in here and plugging in your numbers. And once you're done, of course, you can go to your logs for today. You can see what you did and so forth, just to kind of track your progress. But the meat and potatoes of this app is right here. or on your schedule. A green, it lets you know that you did both. It has all the exercises here. Of course, no, it doesn't have a demonstration of the, I saw a review on the App Store. Somebody gave an app a bad review because it didn't have a demonstration of the exercise. Well, it is the p90x exercise. You should be familiar with it because there's a DVD showing you how to do it. So please don't leave negative reviews for an app that, you know, read the description first is all I'm saying. Okay, enough of that. There's week 1 on the classic. Week 2, as you can see, is very simple. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And I'm going to open up the custom edition. And look at that. Different names, okay? Day 1, you've got schedule down here. Here's your routines, your schedule, exercises. Now, this one here, let me go back. Cool thing about this new one is it also allows you to use the bands right here, as the other one didn't. That's one thing that it lacked, was it only recorded how many repetitions per weight. On this one here, it allows you to use bands and record your workout that way too, which is pretty cool. Now, coming over here to routines, exercises, and so forth, all you have to do to really, okay, so week 1, same deal, right? Push-ups, shoulder flies, chair dips. You see the different names. If you want to edit it, all you do is click edit, the arrow, and there you go. You can change the name to whatever you want to. So it looks like a quick fix to what the developer needed to do to go ahead and continue with this great app. I've searched the App Store left and right, up and down. They used to also have another app called My P90X, which is really cool. But again, it was removed, and this is the only survivor of the App Store. And definitely, if you're starting the P90X regime, if you've already done it for the first week, I know that Beachbody offers Excel exportable to your computer. But folks, if you have an iPod Touch or an iPhone, I highly recommend that you download this and use it. I've used it for 3 weeks now. It's great. It does not lose any of your information. And it's really simple and easy to use, bottom line. So, hey, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time on the next app. If you want to see any apps reviewed, go ahead and message me or leave comments in the section below. And take care.